pulling a cart, when a baby pulling a cart, at that times the force applied by that baby is in that direction, and the displacement occurs in this direction. At that times, between that displacement and between that the force, the angle is formed, and that that angle is formed, so that the applied force we have to convert into that the force which is the where the object is the displacement along the direction of the displacement. Suppose a baby tie a string in this direction and applying force with the help of that strings on that block, or on that vehicle or tire is there, which it is a plane, and that displacement occur in this direction, means with that the force and with that the displacement an angle is formed, and this an angle is formed, and this angle makes the angle suppose a theta. But when we have to find out work done in this such condition, the applied force is another in direction and displacement occur in another direction. So what we have to do, applied force we have to convert it into that acting force, in which direction is the object is the get the displacement. So we know that work is equal to force into displacement. So here is the force is applied force, suppose the F1, and displacement occurring is the S. We are considering F1, why? Because it displacement occur in that another direction, so that displacement we are going to consider the F1. So that and but here is the angle form. So if you will say, see in the trigonometry, sin theta cos theta is there, along with that the sin theta cos theta, we know that the cos theta is equal to the base upon hypotenuse. Suppose it is a right angle triangle. If we draw this as a height, it is a hypotenuse, and we are going to consider here. So in that in trigonometry we can use in a right angle triangle. Same way there is if it is the cos theta, the base upon the hypotenuse. What is there the base? Base is the F1 that we are going to consider. That is the F1. So F1, and hypotenuse is the force, actual force which is applied by that the kid, that is the F upon F. What is it? It is the cos theta. So cos theta is equal to F1 upon F. Is this F I will transfer to there, so it is in a division, it goes in a multiplication. So what will be there? Cos theta into F is equal to F1. We will get, what will get? F1. So in this equation, suppose we will consider it is the equation 1. So you know that we got the price, that is the F1 is equal to what we can also here write F cos theta. F cos theta. We can put this value in this equation. So what we will get? We will get the W, means that work is equal to, instead of F1 we have to use this value, F cos theta, and remaining this S. S is the displacement. Understood? In such condition, when we have to find out the work, at that times we have to use this formula, that is the work done is equal to force into the cos theta into displacement. This angle we have to consider here. Work done, when the force is applied, into the same direction of that object, the displacement is occur. At that times also work done when the force is applied in opposite direction and displacement occur in a opposite direction, at that times also work done. But when the work done is not done, when the applied force is in a perpendicular direction and displacement occur in 90 degree, at that times there is not a work done, displacement. Suppose what we are saying, that a work done in a tangent direction. We know that in the previous chapter we have seen the uniform circular motion. In the uniform circular motion, what the object is moving in circular motion, the displacement is there is a displacement 0, because object again come in on its original position, so there is displacement is not done, and so that there is a work done. No, there is not a work done. And if you are considering if the radius is a perpendicular to that object at the times, and it is a displaced along that the tangent means segment which is a which touch to that the circle but not crosses, which is touches that the circle but not crosses, and it is a perpendicular to that radius, that is called a tangent. If the displacement occur in that the tangent direction and then in circular motion, at the time also there is not a work done. The work done in a two condition, that the maybe that there is angle will be formed 30-40, that angle we can consider, but there is not a work done when the applied force is in a perpendicular direction and there is not a displacement occur. Suppose you are applying the force on that the suppose block toward the perpendicular direction. So if you are applying to the downside the force, the object will cannot be a displaced, it remains on its original position. There is a perpendicular, so it will not go forward and it will not go backward, it remains on its original position. There is not a displacement occur, at the time there is not a work done. So in that cos theta also in trigonometry table there are the given, there is the given values also of that angles cos theta, sin theta. Here is we have to consider only cos theta. Why? Because it is mentioned in our that formula. So if the angle is 0 degree, angle is in a 0 degree, at that times there is the work done, there is a work done, that there is a W, there is 0 degree, at that times what work done is equal to Fs, means we can consider the previous formula F into S. When the object, because when 0 degree angle means applied force in same direction, displacement also in a same direction, there is not an angle mentioned, there is a 0 angle, so displacement in a same direction. So when the displacement and the force is in the same direction, at that times there is also the work done. And when the angle, it is the angle, and when the angle is a 90 degree, there is not a work done, because object is not get displaced. Yes, I told the example, when you are pressing on object downside, the object will not get the displaced. So here is the W, work done is equal to 0, work done is equal to 0, just because when you are applying the force in the perpendicular direction, perpendicular means what? Perpendicular means the 90 direction, at the times work done is the 0, and when you are applying the force at the 180 degree, means the opposite force in the opposite direction, the force is applied in opposite direction and displacement occur in a opposite direction. When the force is applied in this direction and displacement occur in this direction, how much angle is formed? There is a 180 degree angle is formed, 180 degree angle is formed. At that times there is the work done, but that work done is in a negative form. So there is also the work done, that work done is equal to negative Fs. Negative what? Because it is in opposite direction. In opposite direction, that to the in opposite direction, the work, there is a work done in the erection. Means when the 0 degree angle is there, the work done is a positive. When the 90 degree angle in that, the work done is the there is not a work done, 0 work done. When there is the angle is 180 degree, at that times there is the what happens? The work done happened, but that work done is the negative work done. So this is the formula related with the work done, that is the force into cos theta, and displacement work done is equal to F into S, that you have to consider. Understood? This is how the work done, what is the formula of the work done, and when can be the work done. For your homework you have to write the definition of the work done and this formation of this formula W is equal to F into cos theta S, and when the 0 degree angle is there, 90 degree angle is there, and 180 degree angle what is the work done. The types of the work done we will see in a next video. Thank you.